How to disable SIP on Mac. So let's get started. To do this on a Mac that has an M1 or M2 Apple Silicon chip, press and hold the power button on a Mac until loading startup options appears. Once you see the icon appear, you can select options to load into recovery mode. After selecting options and proceeding into the recovery menu, continue with these steps. To do this on an Intel-based Mac, restart your computer and hold down the Command plus the R keys simultaneously when you hear the boot chime. Once in recovery mode, open a terminal window from the Utilities drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Now type the command shown on your screen. Press the enter/return key and you will see message stating that system integrity protection has been disabled and that the machine needs to restart for changes to take effect. Now restart your Mac and SIP should be disabled. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.